मैं युजीबू। आदा मुजारा यकूनो मुजारा मिन आदा। यऊदू है ना, यऊदू वलाकिन बाद लम यकूनो, बाद दुखूल लम। ला लम यऊद, ला लम यऊद अखूकी औ अखी। ला लम यऊद अखी मिन रियाज। अमातल कल्बु यमूतू, बोलते यमूतू। ला लम यमुत, हाँ यकुनु यमुत। शरातुल लकुन नाम से अन्ना हुना का इदा काना माल तकुलियन या फिरा अफहिमती। قلت لكن أمس أنت إذا تدخل اللم إن تدخل إن تدخل اللم تدخل اللم على الأفعال الخمسة. ما هي أفعال الخمسة؟ أفعال الخمسة هل تعلمون؟ تعلمنا؟ ما هي أفعال الخمسة؟ أفعال الخمسة No. My question that do you know afal khamsa? Because yesterday I used this word कि if afal khamsa is coming, noon will be omitted. So there are in fi'l muzara there are 7 sigas which have noon in last. There are 9, but 2 sigas of jama muannas. In that noon is not noon arabi, that noon is noon of jama muannas. Yaf'alna, taf'alna. In these 2 sigas, noon is coming for noon jama muannas, and yazhabani, yazhabani, tazhabani, or like yaf'alani, taf'alani, yaf'aluna, taf'aluna, taf'alina. 5 sigas are there. Taf'alani will be 3 because it is coming for jama musanna muannas. Tafalane both sigas, and yafalane comes for musanna muzakkar ghaib, and tafalane comes musanna muzakkar hazir. So at least it will be 7 sigas, but we are taking 5 sigas because tafalane is coming 3 times, so we are taking 1 because it is same. So yafalane, tafalane, yafaluna, tafaluna, and taf'alina. 5 sigas are there. In the noon is coming there in last of these afal, and this is coming for to show rafa condition. So this noon will be found in rafa condition, and nasab and jazm condition both will be omitted. In both conditions it will be omitted like tazhabani. I told you that yazhabani, and tazhabani. Sorry, I'm not be written properly. यज़हबाने, तज़हबाने and यज़हबूना तज़हबूना and तज़हबीना. In 5 sighas you will find that noon is there in last, and this noon is coming to show rafa condition only. This noon comes for to show rafa conditions only, because when yazhabo comes, so it will be when yazhabo comes, so it will be space, as space is coming, so in all these sighas noon will come. And if this zamma is omitted with lam or any other reason, the jazm is coming here, it is coming jazm, so these noon will be omitted. In 5 sighas noon will be omitted. Clear? Eh? In 5 sighas noon will be omitted when fi'l muzara is coming majzoom or it is coming mansoob. In all these nasab and jazm condition, this noon will be omitted, and omission of this noon is sign of jazm if harf jazim is coming before it, and sign of nasab if harf nasib is coming before it. You know that huruf jazma, they are lam, lamma, lam amr and la nahiya. 4 are there: lam, lamma, lam amr, la nahiya. So if these or any of these 4 huruf, any harf jazim is coming, so this noon will be omitted, because fi'l muzara will be majzoom. Now they are joining. Yes. Now look carefully what I am going to explain now. So here you will get that a jazm in first sigha, and like these all 5 sighas, they are yazhabu, tazhabu, azhabu, nazhabu. Yazhabu, tazhabu, tazhabu, azhabu, nazhabu. In that, zamma will be omitted and jazm will come. And in 7 sighas noon will be omitted, and 2 sighas of jama muannas no change will come, है ना? They are mabni. These 2 sighas are mabni. Now I am saying that when you are making you have done mistake yesterday. I told you to write gardan with lam from qala, so you have written lam yaqula. No, how it will be yaqula? You are making yaqulu, you are writing yaqulu, and can see, you should sit here this side, है ना, because screen can be seen. You are can see, है ना, and you are sitting this side. How you can see screen? Keep it there. Yaqulu. Yes. Lam is coming, so you will get that ijtima sakinain is coming, as just I explained. Ke lam yaq, it will be lam yaqu, jazm, both have jazm. And from ijtima sakinain, I am explaining, my voice is coming. Yes. So I told you that harf illat will be omitted because ijtima sakinain is coming. Yes, this I explained. But when you are making this sigha, going to tasniya sigha, so what it will be? It will be yaqulani, है ना? Jama sigha will be yaquluna. Now add lam with them, you will get, it will be lam plus yaqulane. So it will be, noon will be omitted. You know, at the place of jazm, what I said, at the place of jazm, noon will be omitted, na? That I explained. In seven sigas. Seven sigas means yaqulane, taqulane, 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 3 times to taqulane, and yaquluna, taquluna, taqulina. So noon we are omitting. Ab no change is coming, no problem is there with wow. So why we will omit wow? How it will be lam yaqula? As someone has written yesterday, I have written that this is wrong. Lam yaqula will not be there. Lam yaqul, but tasniya sigha will come. Lam yaqula and lam yaqulu. What it will be? Lam yaqulu. I think you were Shema yesterday. Huh? Who is Gardan? I will check. It is with me. I have written but marked. Huh? Understood? Now is it clear or not? Who is my Momina? Now tell me, is it clear? It is wrong. This will be wrong. It will be lam yaqula, lam yaqulu. Then lam taqul, lam taqula, lam yaqulna, lam taqul, lam taqula, lam taqulu, lam taquli, lam taqula, lam yaqul taqulna, lam aqul, lam naqul. I told you that 5 sigas are there. Yaf'alu, taf'alu, taf'alu, af'alu, naf'alu. In 5 sigas, jazm is coming on the last letter. That's why ijtima sakinain is happening. Now 2 sakinas coming, waw and harf illat and lam kalma. So their harf illat will be omitted. And in all sigas you will find that no harf ijtima sakinain is coming. That's why harf illat will not be omitted. Like that you have to make amr sigha. Amr is, look carefully. Amr sigha is made. Next exercise is coming amr. है ना? Exercise 12 is coming amr. You have done exercise 11. I am going to explain exercise 12. You know how fele amr is made? Anyone can tell me how fele amr will be made? How fele amr is made? Anyone can tell me? Nabiha? Yes. Mananti? Acha. Yes. Now, tell. First, from which sigas it will be made? First, you have to tell that one. It will be made from hazir sigas of fi'l muzara. So hazir sigas of fi'l muzara will be taqulu, taqulani, taquluna. Yes, and taqulina. These are hazir sigas, है ना? taqulina, taqulane, and taqulna. Jama muannas sigha will come taqulna. Now Irab should be placed taqulu, taqulane, taquluna, qulina, taqulane and taqulna. Now Aisha, now Fatma, tell what we will do. First we have to omit alamat muzara. Yes, so I am omitting. Then Noon Arabi. In first sigha, no, there is no Noon Arabi. First alamat muzara is omitted, and then if तो what is the process? I am telling you, alamat muzara will be omitted. Till now, last time they are doing this. I am not understanding. So, alamat muzara is omitted. After that, we will see if fa kalma is mutaharrik. We will see that fa kalma is sakin or mutaharrik. Sakin or mutaharrik. Like tazribu, है ना? Tazribu. I am omitting lamte muzara here, so I will find that fa kalma is sakin, है ना? So if fa kalma is sakin, so we have add hamza here, and hamza i'rab will be given according to ain kalma. If kasra is there, so kasra will be given, and then it will be, and last letter will be sakin. Jazm will be given on last letter, so it will be izrib, है ना? But here I am when I am omitting alamat muzara, I will find that and fa kalma is mutaharrik, है ना? Fa kalma is mutaharrik, so there is no need of hamza. What I will do? So I will leave it as it is because mutaharrik is there, so there is no problem to read. In reading, qul, it is coming qulu. Now last letter will have jazm, it will be sukun will be there, so it will be qul. Up to itma sakinan is there, that's why waw will be omitted. Now it became qul, and qul you have many places you have read that qul ya ayyuhal kafirun, qul wallahu ahad, like that, है ना? My voice is coming to you all, हैं? So what it came? It came qul, है ना? Amr is coming qul. But when we are omitting here, so alamat muzara will be omitted. Fa kalma is mutaharrik, there is no need of hamza, and noon will be omitted from here. So at the place of jazm, noon i'rabi will be omitted. So sigha is coming qul, but second sigha will not be qula, it will be qula, है ना? Qula, and like that, what is coming? Qulu, है ना? Quli and qula and qulna. Now fine, clear? Right, just now you all have right that fele amr gardan. Understand? Just now you have to write Fele Amr Gaddan. Yes. As I have done, you have to do it. You have to do Gardan. Some students are joining just now. Eh? Time is going to be over and they are joining now. What they were doing? Join the meeting in time, otherwise you will not, what I am explaining here you will not get. है ना? Keep it in mind. Which where? मतलब you are sitting here with me, I am telling. So I told that Kula just what I have done you have to do just now. Any verb you can take. Yes. Now I'm going to WhatsApp group because I think time is going to be over. So come to WhatsApp group now, you all. Just 30 minutes meeting was there. Now we have to join because here I will check your work. Hmm? Kula? If you are not knowing, first of all, you have to write all 6 sigas of Hazir. Do it yourself, what will be omitted.